Hey guys, I wanted to show you where you can find cabin fuses in Audi A3 8V. So here's the place, a little bit deep inside, and there's a cover over here that you need to remove in order to access it. There are 3 clips. You need to pry this, and don't even bother doing it by hand. You need a prying tool like so, and in my case I even had to remove the side cover over here just to be able to slightly push out the first clip, and once this first one was released, I was able to pry the second and the third one. So that's the way to do it. If for some reason this cover cannot be removed with just a simple prying tool from this side. And keep in mind that you should try to start from here. There's a little bit of gap over here, so you can place a tool right here, and always start from the bottom, from the place that is the least visible. If for some reason you are going to scratch this panel, this is the place where the scratch will not be as visible as, for example, over here. So if you are having trouble removing this cover, start with this one. This has a starting point as well. There's a little gap over here that you can start with to release the first clip, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 clips. And once those are released, you can just slide this panel out. Okay, so that's it. Thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you like this simple tutorial, and subscribe for future ones. See you soon.